Okay, so since we have our windows ready, the next thing that we can do is we can do our doors. So yeah, for the doors, we will utilize some draw panel tools, and then we can do it very quickly. So for that, let's quickly take a polyline and let's zoom in a bit. I'll start somewhere around here, go up to 1.5 inches, then up to 32 inches. Then I will track my that point, and I will finish my rectangle just like that. Alright, so this is the base of the door. Now we need to do the swing part. So for that I will utilize center radius, and I'll define my center as this and radius as that point, right? And then we can do another line like from here to here, the center, and then we can utilize trim to delete this, and we can select this and delete it, right? So here we have our door ready to be placed to the rooms. Alright, one thing that we can do over here is we will assign blocks. So we can do blocking for this one, because if I select it now, like if I select it, these are two individual entities, basically a polyline and arc going on. So we will create a block so that it will be easy for us to um, put it into our drawing, and blocks are very efficient and you can say very helpful in AutoCAD. So for that, how do we do that? So you can see in the just after the layers panel we have block and insert. We can see there is create, edit and all those different blocks over here. Also we have in insert panel there is create block. So for that we'll just select this, type in B and press enter. Now this is the block definition window where we define our block. So for that, let's type in door. We need to pick the we need to specify the pick point. So for that, let's select it, and let's say we want it, let's keep it here. And on the objects you'll see there it asks for us to select objects. So let's select that and do a crossing selection and press enter. So our preview will be here. You can see there is a nice preview. And in the behavior we like to make sure that your scale uniformly is on, so that if we are changing the size of the door, it scales uniformly in X and Y direction. Also in the objects, make sure it is convert to block, and block unit is inches. Don't bother about the open in block editor, and press OK. Now if I select this, you can see there is a pick point which we defined earlier, and we can easily, if I want to move it, I can move it from that point like that. Obviously it should be inverted, so what we can do is we can mirror it. Erase source object, yes. So just like that we have done the door.